So you're looking at getting a fireplace put into your house. There's a few good things I should talk to you about if you're thinking about getting your fireplace redone. To save any confusion on terminology, we're going to talk about zero clearance, inserts, or freestanding. There's zero clearance fireplaces like the one behind me. And what a zero clearance fireplace is, it can be installed in virtually any space with the minimum framing requirements. Notice I said framing. A zero clearance fireplace is built into a living space and does not have to have a masonry chimney or surround around it. Inserts. Installed into an existing masonry chimney. What this looks like on your house is a bunch of brick, a bunch of stone, going right from the fireplace location in your living room or otherwise, right out the roof of the house. These installs are very particular, and an insert is a very specialized way of primarily turning a wood fireplace into a gas fireplace. And then of course, freestanding. Pretty straightforward. It stands on its own feet. Can be put in any location of the house, easier to vent, easier to install into your house. That gives you the breakdown of the terminology we hear all the time that can confuse everybody right off the bat. Final trick question. What kind of fireplace is this one right behind me? Let us know in the comments.